Hi, I'm Camilla, personal shopper at Lookiero. Today we will teach you how to create a capsule wardrobe and how to organize it to help you with one of our 2021 resolutions. Create your dream wardrobe with Lookiero and help you get the most out of every look. A capsule wardrobe is a selection of 25 to 30 timeless basics that we can elevate with trendy pieces each season. A personal shopper like me will analyze your style and help you choose in a more conscious way what is missing in your wardrobe to achieve your perfect style. The first thing you should do is take out all the clothes you use on a daily basis and place them on a clothes rail or table so that you can see them all at a glance. Then group them by category to detect what type of garments you use the most and what gaps your wardrobe might have to know what key pieces you should acquire. Once the garments are organised, you will be able to discover what kind of woman you are. Created a selection to add a bit of flow to her wardrobe and help her get out of her comfort zone. A printed shirt that will give her a more formal touch and get her out of the sporty look. A puffer jacket that will add texture and is very warm for the low temperatures. A pair of coated burgundy jeans, very on trend this winter. A shiny skirt, slightly more adventurous, will give her a bit of a trendy touch. And a renewed design jumper to get her out of the classic monochromatic collection she already owns. Now we will place these new clothes by category in the wardrobe. Order them by length diagonally to achieve a visual harmony that helps you easily find the garment you need to create your look. Here's a piece of advice. Classify the look cards that we send to you in your Lookiero to help you create new looks on those days when you feel less inspired. Coming to your wardrobe will be like going shopping in the comfort of your own home. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon.